Kauntan ninyo kay.
Unsa?
Kauntangan nyo.
Unsa man nimo ikaon?
Kaunta ka.
Unsa man na? Kanon?
Sukin.
Syukon? Chicken.
Chicken. Kanon.
Bako ra ko naabot. Pagka ko sa pilikab. Pero na yabo ang pineapple basa ko pins ko outfit. Imo honey, what's that honey? What's that? It's a what?
This is a bacon burger. Bacon cheeseburger.
And then mine, I just eat. This is one of my favorite. What's this?
Mushroom burger steak.
Mommy.
Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Sabi pagkunoy. Oh.
And she don't like mushrooms.
Kaunta guys.
Oh. Kaunta, guys. Gastang garaa. Guys, mga unsa miya. Unya.
Sumiha.
Dula tanan nyo niya.
Sila sa inyo. Sumiha niya.
Mag-usa ko niya nga. TikTok ko niya.
Unya mata magtiktak ka magkapamil. Umanang magkaon.
Guys, ingat mo permit sa coronavirus.
Pag mo sa korobayos, magbas mo.
Mas, unsa ingon, I love you.
I love you. Ayaw ba na ang anak ninyo kay bawal ang anak?
Da, bawal ang anak, guys. How was
Taratan
your ano? How
ninyo.
was your
Tama
ano?
na mamay.
Good. O, tama ka na. Mga unsa mi, guys, ha? Mga unsa mi, guys, ha? Unya na po, guys.
Agents involved in this and that lawyer, Mark Scaringi, live just about 90 minutes from right now, right here. Meanwhile, Ainsley, yesterday the president was asked about a German newspaper that mocked up an invoice that they were going to send to China for $160 billion, saying that that is how much damages, at least, that Germany sustained. And the president was asked about that, and he said this. Listen to this.
There are a lot of ways you can hold them accountable. We're doing very serious investigations, as you probably know. And we are not happy with China. We are not happy with the whole situation. Because we believe it could have been stopped at the source, it could have been stopped quickly, and it wouldn't have spread all over the world. And we think that should have happened.
Honey, wanna try this one, honey? This is vanilla, honey.
So, Ainsley, while they have a mock-up of $160 billion worth of damages for the country of Germany that were printed in that newspaper, the president says, haven't figured out how much we're going to go after them for, but obviously he's angry that they covered up and kept us in the dark for so long.
He's not alone. There are a lot of states that are suing now. There are individuals that are suing China. This cost 26 million Americans jobs.